Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the options of face milling geometries by picking faces and profile. We'll first start by the option of faces. By choosing faces, we can actually machine specific faces for face milling instead of doing the entire part. For example, if I want to do these faces over here, I'll choose the option of faces and click on define in my base geometry. At this point, I'll just click on the surfaces that I want to choose. For example, I'll click on this surface, and this surface. You can see all of these three faces have been selected, and I'll click on OK. Now, when this is done, it actually takes all three of them and combines them into one boundary area as shown over here. However, if we want, we can separate them by simply clicking on Separate. By separating them, we now have three different chains. Our first one, second one, and our third one, and then it'll work on each one of these faces individually. Note, we also have here the option of whether we want to have it as a box or silhouette, where it's taking the shape of that particular area as well. Another option we have is the option of profile. By choosing profile, we can actually create a chain geometry, allowing us to pick a chain to create our boundary. So if I were to pick this area over here, that curve over there, and click on Auto Constant Z and accept this, you can see that my geometry is according to that particular chain as I've done over here. Now, one more option we have over here is also called Modify. This allows us to take any one of these options and actually modify the offset of that particular chain. For example, if I were to write in my offset 1, it'll actually go out 1 millimeter in this particular case. If I were to actually write -1, then we'll get a negative offset where the chain will now be 1 millimeter inside that boundary that I created. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.